DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This is Friday and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trump Media Technology stock, we're down once again, and it seems like we broke the structure, the lower, so I'm gonna get rid of this idea. Fundamentally, what I waited for was, I was not just gonna randomly buy like all the other people do. I would have waited for the price to show me proof that it wants to go up by going up itself, and then just trying to capitalize on the remaining. But you see, it never really gave me that double break, and just so that is a well executed trade plan. So now this is only really going to be like a bullish market for myself if I see the price start breaking past some highs here. And honestly, like anything else would just pretty much be noise, and I'll just keep focusing on it. Like if it starts going down, so be it. This is because I'm biased towards the bullish side. I'm just waiting for it. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.